Hello, everybody. So I'm back again, and as promised, I have selected three topics which I thought could be very helpful to all of you to understand my perspective, which will some way or the other will connect it with our five elements, as we all are aware. So our five elements are air, water, fire, earth, and sky. Now, we live on planet Earth, and we exist in this galaxy where there are planets which are revolving around the sun. And as we all, in a way, are aware that every star is a sun, and it must be having its own planetary objects revolving around that star, maybe. Uh, so, and then we talk about universe. Now, so the first topic which I was wanted to talk to you was about the sound of the universe. Now, researchers have done its own study by sending various missions to galaxy to understand its role across the uh, spiral rotatory motion of these planets around the sun, and galaxy have been maybe terminated or existing due to various reasons across the universe. The sound of the universe, when researched, it was known to the world or the people of Earth that the sound of the universe is it's sounding as Om. Now, as the history of the country where we all come from, primarily people from my country, which is India. Uh, it's pretty old country from its living existence by various researchers, primarily towards the research which was conducted in the northern part of India towards the state called Gujarat, and there is a city which got submerged in sea called Dwarka. Uh, so that submerged sea, when it was located and they were doing researches on the stones and articles which were found there by carbon dating, it was determined that it was around 5,000 years old. So we are talking just a one place history which talks to us about a 5,000-year-old history. So then we further look into the territorial area which was in existence prior to that city. So there must have been living places and stuff. So the history of the country from where I come from is much, or many years of being existed in this planet Earth. Now, the sound of the universe is echoed uh, across the universe, which you all are aware. Now, when we look into the aspect of this sound traveling far to planet Earth, so it must have some significance on our five elements, which I have mentioned some time back. So the sound of the universe, which is an Om, which constantly rotates around. So now, if you talk about things which are non-existent, such as air, you can't see but you can feel. Sunlight, you can see it once it falls on the ground again, but when it is traveling, it is not particle, it is a wave. So a sun ray is a wave, so we literally can feel it. And then there are other examples as well, but if you consider these two, like air and a sun, so similarly the sound of this universe, which is Om, so sound, once it is out of an origin, it floats in the universe. So that is why, last few years, the word which I constantly hear, moreover from Western countries or countries which predominantly call themselves as developed nations. The word is manifestation. Now, the sound of the universe, and I also hear a lot of people telling me that uh, it's a call from the universe, or I talk to universe, I surrender myself to universe, or manifestation, which I just mentioned. Now, what are all this? So these are the sound or the manifestation of human beings which are converted into a thought, and thought is converted into a word, and that is being flown in the atmosphere. Now, I'm not a judge. I'm not judging, or I'm not here to judge on the manifestation part, which could be right, which could be wrong, which could be anything. But the act of manifesting something is what I admire, because when you get into the mode of desire, so manifestation is nothing but a desire, and desire is human, right? Of course, it could be there in animals as well, but the expression of desire through manifestation is what I'm talking about. So when you throw this manifestation via the words in the universe, the sound of the universe combines with this manifestation and provides result. Now, I somewhere feel that the manifestation, if it really want, or perhaps if you really want these manifestations to work for you, there is a process. Now that process, so I'm with you on the power of manifestation, but to evolve yourself to an extent where these manifestation converts into a result which you desire to have, is where I want to take you guys to. So prepare yourself if you want to add your manifestation or the desire into the sound of universe, which is Om. To prepare yourself, you need to align your 5 elements of body. So whenever you align these elements of your body and then spread the manifestation by performing a prayer. Now here the word Om plays a bigger role, because ultimately you want to convert this thought into a desire, and then desire you converting into a word, and then putting it out in universe to get the result. So this has to be done in such a manner where your body is fresh, your breathing pattern is aligned, you are able to relax, your tummy is not full, not empty, you are feeling very light, when your feet is touching ground and you're sitting straight. So when you do this, so when your feet is touching ground, you're getting the earth element. When you're sitting straight, your head is towards the sky, so you're getting the earth element. When your tummy is relaxed, your fire element is balanced. When your breath is very aligned, your air element is balanced. And when you are completely in control of these elements, and when you chant the word Om, which is, we all are aware, practically proved that Om is the sound of the universe, and when you start your manifestation by adding Om in it, I think by the power of universe, definitely your desires or whatever you manifest can get fulfilled. So this was my thought on the sound of the universe, aligning it with your thought process where you want to get something out of that process of manifestation, or converting that into your mind, body, soul, aligning your elements and putting out in the universe, and achieving whatever manifestations or whatever thoughts or good things what you desire to have for yourself in your life can definitely fulfill. So this is my blessings to all of you. I think I hope I was able to make some sense in what I was trying to tell you, and I hope you all good luck for your path towards meditative state of mind, so you can manifest good things in life and achieve those things. So good luck. Thank you so much. God bless you.